Kensington Gardens and Hyde Park. They're next to each other, and there is the long water. There's some river, some sort of. Okay, it is on my way, so that's why I came here. But look, it looks nice. Nice place in London. Oh, old-fashioned car. Wow, I like it. What do you think? And they sell ice cream here. Oh, look at that. It's a very nice place, actually. To be honest, I didn't expect it. Interesting fountain. It's a bit rainy today. You see? The drops in the water. Dedicated with love to my princess for all the good times and yet to come. Very nice set. Right. There's a statue over there. Some people enjoy the Guys, do you have favorite park in London? If you have been in London, or of course if you live in London, which one is your favorite one? Look, actually I'm so tempted to touch it. Fantastic. It's a good artwork. 3 kids and sheep, and this is a bird here. Lovely one. So to continue, I need to go a little bit backward and to go on the left, because there is no exit from here. Right. One of the things in London that I love is that there are many parks in every borough. Even not only one, but more parks you can find in every borough in this city. Sometimes 2, 3. And the people love it. This is part of the English culture. Many parks and gardens. And this date since many years, even centuries ago. Italian gardens. Okay, there's some information here. Maybe it will be a little bit difficult for you to read it because there are already some drops from the rain. But for those of you who want, this is the option only. Okay, let's keep going. Well, in this situation, I'm not sure how long can be the video, because it's possible the rain to get heavier, for example. So then I suddenly have to stop filming. But let me see. So if you've ever been, and I think this is Kensington, not quite sure, because it's maybe it's on the edge between 2-3 boroughs here. But if you've ever been around Lancaster Gate, you definitely have to visit this park. It's a lovely one and you don't have to miss it. It looks kind of big size actually. A lot of walking supposed to be here. Look how green is this, I love it. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this park, if you have been, and let me know which one is your favorite from the parks in London, or not only. You can basically advise me to take a look which park to go to visit, or if you're from different country, just to, you know, just to mention your favorite park in your country they have been. Would be interesting. I'm walking quite fast because I'm still thinking it's possible the rain to continue, but I'm not quite sure anymore. It looks like it's going to stop. Birds of the long water. Good. Another description here. It's going to be so difficult to read anything with these drops here. Interesting wildlife. The birds, I mean, they're all animals in zoo, in the parks here, where they have, I mean, where there are many birds. They're so quiet, so friendly with the visitors, and you can, for example, be very close next to the animal, and the animal doesn't have fear, which is fantastic because you can enjoy to have a kind of communication by presence only, even. Yeah, okay, we don't speak the language of the animals, but still in their presence it's interesting feel. This park, actually, I like it.
Where he's part of the larger team and they discuss us what's
Yeah,
going
yeah.
on, and
Yeah,
you know, so they kind of,
Okay, just wanted to see what is it. Nice. Just to keep going. Plenty of open space here. You can be with your friend or person who you really love, and to spend really lovely time together here. Look, and also it's quiet. This is the way to escape from the dynamic of the city. Oh, you're so fast. Nice. It's good to know. If I ever live here, I definitely will enjoy this park, and I'll try to be much as possible, many times. Look, this is literally escape from the urban city. I can feel myself like I'm in the countryside. Look around. So lovely, so quiet. I think most of the people, they enjoy to change the dynamic and quiet life and environment. Sometimes you need fun, sometimes you need entertainment, like, you know, dynamic moments. So you go to the city center of London or another big city anywhere in the world. But sometimes you need quiet place, you need to be closer to the nature. How is it? So it's good to have an option to change these two types of environment. Alright, I'm going to stop the video here because I have a mission today to do something else, right? And thank you for having me. Thank you for walking with me here. But oh wait, let me take this inner hidden roads attract me, and then I can finish the video. Oh, squirrel! Hey, you're so cute. Tell me something. Hey, where are you? Guys, I'm already in the road here. I entertain the animals here. Oh, another one. Hey, what is your name? Do you have a name? No? Alright. You're back. The squirrels are so entertaining. What do you think, guys?
I didn't even try to beckon them, just come on.
Hey Jude, what's your name? Huh? What's your name? Hi, nice to meet you. Hey, handshake? No, I have a too big hand, I know.
Friendly, though.
Right, let's keep going to see something a little bit more. Probably this hidden road is so short, but anyway, it's still good. Oh, I'm going under the bridge now. Wow, look at that. Oh, it's kind of good feel now. It's a bit strange, a bit old. Probably it's old. Okay, there you go. The bridge. I'm closer to the bridge now. You see, some people can rent a boat. I was thinking this was animal, but some people can do same voices like animals, some sounds. Right. Okay. So it's time to go. As I said earlier, before to get attracted to see the short hidden road. Thank you for having me. Thank you for walking with me in this video. And I hope to entertain you again in another video soon. Let me know what kind of park or places in London do you want to see in video. And I'll try to do it for you. Thank you. All the best. Have a good time wherever you are in the world. Bye bye.